Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we are going to do a goddess flow, beginning in a goddess pose, toes out, heels in, knees stacked over the ankles. And you raise one heel, find little pulses. Lower that heel down, raise another heel, find those pulses. Drop both heels down, inhale star, exhale goddess. Straighten out the legs and then sink in. Inhale, straighten, finding wide-legged squats. You're almost there. Keep breathing. Keep sinking your hips low, keeping your shoulders stacked over the hips. Bring your hands behind your head, crunch elbow to knee. Inhale, lift, exhale, crunch. Inhale, rise, exhale, crunch. Working those obliques. You're almost through. You're so strong, keep going. Great job, guys. Thank you so much. This was Flow with Sky. I'll catch you next week. Bye.